In this video, I'm going to show you the basics of graphing lines with Desmos.com. So once you navigate to this website, you want to click this large red button that says Start Graphing. If I want to graph an equation, all I have to do is type it into this first blue box here. So let's say I start with the equation y equals 2x plus 5. You can very easily just type that in using the buttons on your keyboard. If I want to add another equation, I can press this plus in the upper left-hand corner and click Expression. And maybe this time I'll do something with a fraction. Y equals, if I want to type in a slope of 1/3, I can do 1 divided by, and instead of, there's no division symbol on your keyboard, you want to use the slash that's underneath the question mark, third, arrow over x minus 6, for example. And one last example I want to show you is an expression or an equation that is not in slope-intercept form. So I can type an equation like 2x plus y equals -5. And typically in your graphing calculator, that would need to be in y equals. But in our case, we can type it in just as the way it is and it will still graph. The last thing I want to go over is how to turn these into inequalities. So let's say I want to turn y equals 2x plus 5 into y is less than 2x plus 5. I can put my cursor next to that equal sign and delete it. And all I need to do is press Shift, comma, where that less than symbol is. And now you can see that it changed my line to a dashed line and all my shading is below. Let's say I wanted to make a greater than or equal sign in this second equation. I would do the greater than symbol, so Shift, period button, and then all I have to do is type an equal next to it. So I typed greater than, equal, and it changed it into this one greater than or equal symbol. And you can see now that's a solid line shaded above. The last thing is this can get a little overwhelming. If you want to turn off any of these equations and inequalities, all you have to do is click the colored circle on the left-hand side of the screen. So if I want the blue one to go away, you can click that to hide it. If you want the green one to go away, you can click that to hide it.